So now, no matter what kind of garage you have, layout you have, you can make these shelves work. I just proved it. And mine's pretty interesting. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm installing some shelves to get more stuff up and out of the way of our personal stuff, because the shed I built over there just isn't big enough to hold everything. So I have fishing gear, hunting gear, I have lawn stuff, everything needs to go up there. So today I'm going to build those, and this video is sponsored by FlexiMounts. And they reached out and they saw that I was doing the garage build. They're like, hey, would you like these? I said, hey, yeah, that'd be sweet. So I took some measurements and I worked out here. I said, yeah, so they sent them out to try them out and tell me what you think, they said. Well, so far just by opening this all up and all the brackets and everything and insulation template and all the bolts and screws and everything, this has been great.
Important step, make sure you have pants with a big enough pocket to hold your tools. What do I have to learn?
I'm always right and you're wrong. No argument. No, I won.
You think I know how to install shelves better than you?
Nope. So you just listen. Okay, so that has to stay like that. Oh, that's money. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is so strong, I could hang from there. All the problems I have so far is not from myself, it's from the garage. So the issue that I'm running across is it is 4 foot from this truss to the next truss. There is nothing in between. And then on top of it, all the way to that wall, to right about here, there is nothing up here. But I have a 2x4 here, but there's nothing up here. So I can't even do a wall or a ceiling mount, so I have to do a wall mount on that side now. Which there throws this off because this isn't 4 feet over. 4 feet is about right here. So now I'm gonna have to have these at a slight angle to make this work, and this is just dandy. Great, fun all the time. So to make this next bracket work, I'm thinking, I think I might put it like this. So this way, I don't have to take down the heater. Otherwise, I have to take down the heater. I don't want to take down the heater. Not yet, not until this spring when I replace it.
What's the problem, Matt?
Sarah, are you having fun not doing anything?
Yeah.
Let's see if that'll work. I'm gonna have to move the heater after all. Oh, crying out loud. It's like that song, I Am For Real. Sir, what are you doing? Oh, I'm just messing up the heater because I'm bored. Oh, come on. Oh. Oh.
Okay, hold on, I'm coming up here. The thing's not gonna fall, is it?
No, it might. Ah!
Hey, you don't need me.
I done did it. Now I need 2 bolts.
What are those? Oh, handy dandy pocket. No.
No handy dandy wife.
Here you go, actually.
It's called teamwork. Makes the dream
That's
work.
why you got all the pockets.
Teamwork makes the
The
dream
pockets,
work.
the switch with the pockets.
Oh, dandy.
You know,
It'll be a dandy.
it's pretty warm in here, we probably don't need sweatshirts on.
I'm gonna get you. Where's the other one?
There's a space, and there's supposed to be space.
You know what Ryobi needs to do, like DeWalt tools have, is have the hook. So you can hook it like this. Because it'll make it a lot easier. So you're not going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. So you know when you have that moment, everything's going good and then something's not working right. It's not the shelf. It's totally the garage. It's my issues. So, and then all of a sudden you have that light bulb moment. So it doesn't say this in the book, but this will work. I can bolt it down. I got something. I can figure it out. What if I take all of these, screw them on the wall this way, so now the shelf will sit here on top. God bless you.
Thank you.
And then all these that are supposed to hang, what I could do is when that shelf's on here, this will sandwich it against the wall. And then it's locked in. Problem solved. That'll be way easier. So I'll put these three on the wall going that way.
Just be like, yeah, I know what tools to give you.
It needs to be right there.
Matt has another problem. He did something wrong.
I need the mat finder.
It's me.
Oh, Matt's way over there. Yep. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh. All right, so I got a little bit of an issue. There we go. Shoot. Well, this wasn't smart. Dang it. I really need Sara to come out here. easiest route. So what I'm gonna do is I'm drilling a hole, and I'm gonna put a 3-inch screw in there right into the stud, because I just don't want it to pull away from the wall. All the weight's gonna be carried on the brackets. So then this shelf's done. I'm not putting a lot of weight on this shelf anyways, because I have the heater up here. So I can't put anything around the heater. It's gotta stay away. So it's only gonna be light stuff that I'm not gonna use much. I can slide back right here or over there. So I'm not too worried about it. I'm just gonna move forward with it, because this shelf is gonna work out perfect, and then we'll end the day greatness.
So all the nuts and the bolts and the stuff, I'm talking. They're labeled on the front, but they're also labeled on the back, so I can just pop open, when I can get it open, the ones that we need. Look at that. So nice.
So now, no matter what kind of garage you have, layout you have, you can make these shelves work. I just proved it. And mine's pretty interesting. Well, I think it turned out pretty darn good, considering the fact my garage is pretty messed up. Proven point over there. There's no stud within 2 feet. I don't know what's going on. Whatever. But I got to work by customizing that against the wall. So that's good to go. All this is good to go. It's hanging good. We got it all secure, and I'm ready. I'm confident in it. It's gonna be good. I made another custom piece over here. I just cut some of the extra stuff that they have, because they send plenty of brackets. And then I wall mounted it that way, all the way across. Good to go. Don't have to worry about it. It's done. I think it looks nice. I'm gonna fit a lot more stuff up there than these other shelves I have. So it'll be nice. My plan is to do like totes full of stuff and have it all marked, so that I know. I am gonna fix this heater. I'm gonna bring it out. I think I have to figure out how I'm gonna do it, because I don't have a stud. So I'm gonna have to run some 2x4s or frame something in up there. We'll see how I'm gonna do that, just to get it out a little bit more. But I only have to go through this winter with it, because I'm gonna replace it anyways. So it's all right. It'll all work out. It's coming together. As far as putting it together, if anyone gets this, you're probably gonna have a normal garage and you'll have no problems. You gotta think of it as the erector set, basically. Don't worry about it. It's pretty simple and it's very forward. It's easy to do. So it went together very well. I'm happy. It's gonna hold a lot of stuff for me, and now all I have to do is start packing it up. But I have some orders to fill, so I gotta go inside and start that up. It is now 9:45 already. No, 9:54. I'm way off, 5 to 10. So I got a couple hours of work downstairs, and then I'm gonna start moving in. I gotta put all of this stuff over here. All this has to go up there, except for the spinner. But yeah, it's a lot of light. It's a lot of light stuff, so I'm not too concerned about it. And then I got some other things coming that I'm gonna put on the wall to help me organize some more stuff. And yeah, I'm getting excited. It's starting to come together. That's it. I am going to go start working, and then tomorrow morning I'm gonna organize all this. So glad you guys see me again. Bye.